A seagull? I don't know what seagulls will do to a drone. Let's chase it. Ooh, they're fast. Come on, seagull. I think that's one of the reasons I love drones, is I've always loved big birds. There's a lot of little cables on these boats I can't see. It's cool. This is a cool place to fly. Sure. I'm just like here talking to myself.
Wait, is your audio picking you up?
Yeah, I record the little microphone. That's how I sync it up there.
Now that that car is going off.
Right. It's hard to see under the dock, it's so dark. This is wild looking. There's a whole storm drain down here that looks crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, immediate signal loss. There's like just endless things to fly through. No matter where I go, there's something else I can go through. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, battery's getting low. I was too close to the edge to catch it. Nice.
Is it weird that I'm recording? Does it feel weird?
It does feel a little weird because I just don't do it with other people very often. I think I want to try to fly up there too and see what the ship looks like. Immediately over the water. It is. went through those things for you.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know, what is this thing? I don't know. It's just to tie a boat up, I guess, right?
Go to the big ship.
State of Maine.
Military.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm way up off the bow. What do you call that? The bow? The front of it? I'm not really flying over it, as I don't want to. If it is a military, I definitely don't want to do that. Oh yeah, there's like a helipad up here. Should I land on the helipad? State of Maine. I'm over the helipad.
I watch you fly and I'm like backseat driving.
Oh yeah?
Even though like I watch you do it 0.5%
Oh my gosh.
of the times that you actually do it, you know? So I don't get the wind's gonna be harder on the way back.
Yeah. Oh, I almost got blown into the cables up there on the deck.
Yeah, that's wrong. There you go.
Oh, looks pretty cool.
Where are you?
I like the middle, but way above it.
On the other side?
I was way up above it.
Oh, there you go.
Let's come back. Coming back. Got to explore under the dock. What if a huge like fish jumped out and ate the drone? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do something really stupid. I flew through a little tiny tire hanging from the... Yeah, that was dumb. But I did it. Okay, let's go lower. Getting some battery. Is that Seagull after me? You gonna catch it?
Can you do a one tap off of me? Off my belly?
It wasn't very good, but